Hello and welcome back to my channel BL and Techno. Today I will show you how you create the project in Visual Studio 19. And if you guys you did not download the Visual Studio 19, then visit the Microsoft site. This site I am talking, and here you have to download this, and after download you have to install that in your PC or laptop, whatever people use. And after completed this thing, the icon showing like this, you can see here the icon showing like this. After the completed all those thing, you have to simply click here, or if you want to right click here, you can just right click and click here again. You have in your machine, you can see the Visual Studio 19 is showing. If you can click here also, and simply you can click like that. This type of screen will show in your desktop or laptop machine, and sometimes it will take time for opening that and complete this screen. And here you can see in this site some recent project is showing. You can see I recently I worked on console application demo and compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. And if you guys want to know about the compile time polymorphism or runtime polymorphism, you want to know more about that, if you are to text for demo purpose, you can visit my channel and check that video. And if you have any doubt related to that compile time polymorphism or runtime polymorphism, please put on the below in the video and comment below. I will definitely help you on that. So today our discussion on how to use the Visual Studio 19. Here in this page will come, and you can see here showing the create new project. You have to click here. After that, this type of page will show, and sometimes it take time and sometimes it's not take time, and now it's taking so much time. And here's showing the recent project template. How many if you're working the previously some template, just like I have worked on ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET MVC work, window application I worked. So if you work some other template, that template list is showing here. And here you have to choose some language. Here in the language platform on the all type of project. If you want to choose the C sharp, the only C sharp language will show here. And if you choose the C++, then C++ will show it. You have so many flexibility are Microsoft provide here. If you want to any particular line, then no need to search here. If you want to not upload, you can search here. You not just you can choose here by using drop down, or simply you can use the text box for searching purpose. And here some platform, if you want to work on the Android or Azure or Linux, if you want to in particular platform, you can choose according to your requirement. And here some project type or project, if you have recently project that project type, you can check that also. And after that, here I know the C sharp, and I will show you a demo for C sharp only, the console application. So what I'm doing here, I'm just choosing this using your mouse and choosing the console application and click on the next. After clicking the next, you can see here the project name is showing. If you want to naming your project, or if you want to put any name, you can simply change here, use the keyword, use your keyboard and remove that, and written anything what you have to written in the what name you provide here, you can add that name. After that, you have to some location change. If you want to what project you are creating, you want to that store that project in particular location in your laptop or desktop in particular area, then you have to if you want, then you can go here, click here in browser, and similarly you can just click on in my PC and C drive, D drive, whatever you drive you want to put. And if you have already made a folder, and you just click there and choose that folder. If you want anything, then choose there and select. If you want to select that particular folder, and select folder, and that's it. But I don't want to any choose anything here, any folder. I just want to keep that whatever that I keep that only. So I am keeping it there. Like after that, you have to click on the next button. and here you no need to you choose any change anything here. You just simply click on the create button. After loaded, I have landed in the program.css page, and here if you want to add more .css page, or if you have already project you want to add the existing project in that in this project in this particular page, then you have to go solution explorer. You can see here right click solution explore. Otherwise, if you go to view, and in view you can see here some solution explorer here, and if you want the shortcut key, the shortcut key is control plus alt plus L, capital L. And here a solution explorer. In solution explorer, here the console one, this is my project name. If you want to, if you have name renamed, then your name showing something else. So right click here, here go to add. In add you can see new item, existing item, and a new folder. If you working some very big project, in the some what happens, some project use so many other tools or other third party application. So if you want to store that in particular folder for your understanding, so you can create folder for that. And whatever you want to add more as for your project requirement, you can do like that.